Welcome. My name is Maya Portillo. I work for the Robert R. McCormick Foundation, and I'm also the manager of Playful Learning. This project means a lot to me, and it means a lot to our families and children in Aurora. So thank you all for being here. I'm going to explain a little bit about what Playful Learning is. So Playful Learning is an initiative to bring everyday math opportunities to young children and their family. And so think about, the family is frequenting the beautiful food pantry across the street, and they see these wonderful installations. They might walk by, and they might want to engage with their child in some prompting questions. And so we really were intentional about making sure that we mathematized the community garden. I made up that word. So we're very happy to be here, and we could not have done this without all of our wonderful partners.
Good morning. My name is Theodia Gillespie. I'm the president of the Marie Wilkinson board. I'm also the president of the Quad County Urban League. I'm here this morning to do the ribbon cutting for the Playful Learning. I've known Miss Wilkinson when I came to Aurora in 1984. She was my mentor and my dear friend, and the weather here is wonderful. Miss Wilkinson always shine upon events for the food pantry, so we're happy to be here. This is important for our community because Playful Learning gives an opportunity for young people to understand the importance of education and learning and having fun while doing it. That is what Miss Wilkinson was about. She was about making sure that individuals, and particularly our young people, have the opportunity to just shine and to do what they needed to do in terms of their education. So it's a great opportunity for the pantry, because while we have our residents who need food, they also can have their children to learn in the same process as they're trying to attain food for their homes. So I'm excited about being here, always excited when it comes to Marie Wilkinson Food Pantry, but also excited to represent her because she's no longer with us.
And we couldn't be more happy for Playful Learning installation to be here at the Marie Wilkinson Garden, but even more happy that Aurora has really coming together for young children and allowing for these spaces to be installed throughout our community. So hopefully we'll see more of these installations where we're really committed for families and children and for the city of Aurora that learning just doesn't take place in a classroom and behind four walls, but it happens in spaces, public spaces such as this.
Hello, my name is Brisa Barasa. I am the operations manager at the Marie Wilkinson Food Pantry, and today's the day of the grand installation of the Playful Learning, and we are excited to be here in the garden today and welcoming all our guests, our families, and a special thank you to our sponsors who made this day special and made it happen.
Hi, I'm Vicki Morcus, President and CEO of the Dunham Foundation, and we are thrilled and honored to support Playful Learning Landscapes, especially in this beautiful setting at the Marie Wilkinson Community Garden. This is going to be a great place for kids and their parents to learn about nature, to learn about shapes and how math concepts appear in nature. And we're excited about this new installation and the benefits that it'll provide to this community. This concept was born through the work throughout Philadelphia, and it brought together funders, child care experts, community partners, but most importantly families, where we wanted learning opportunities in everyday spaces, whether it's a bus stop, the grocery store, a laundromat, or even a community garden.
In my speech, I forgot to acknowledge the Marie Wilkinson board members. Will you guys please come forward so I can know who's here? Suzanne and Marcia. So these are our board members, and thank you so much for being here and always supporting the work of the Marie Wilkinson Food Pantry and this beautiful garden. then I'm also just going to just acknowledge the Dunham board members who are here. Can you guys please come forward as well? We have Mark Trumper, who's our president, Bob Vaughn, who is the vice president, Stuart Beach, who is the former president of the board. We have Ryan, trustee member. So Wendy was here, but she had to leave. And then let's bring Lindsay and Vicky back up so you can see. Lindsay is our grant coordinator person. So these are the people who work very hard at making sure that we provide the necessary resources for our community. So thank you, board members on both sides, and for your support.